Hi, I'm Jin, and today in this tutorial I will show you how to use Quartz to create a Windows service to execute the job. Okay, so now I would like to talk about an overview of our example. Okay, so we will create a console application, and in this application we will create a Windows service to create a job using a Quartz.net. In that job, we will use log4net to save the current date time when the job is started into a log file. And finally, we will create a batch file to install and uninstall the Windows service. Okay, and here is a website for quartzschedule.net. And come back to our slide. There are some steps to create this example. Okay, so the first one we will create a console application, and after that we will add newbies which include Quartz and log4net into our project. Okay, so to save the time, so I already create this project and I will show you step by step. You create this as a console application, and after that you right click on this project and go to manage newbies package. Here and in here you type the Quartz and hit enter button and click to it, and after that you click on the install button to install the Quartz into the project, and after that you install the log4net and install into the project. Okay, so after the installation is done, you can see it's already add the reference into the project log4net and Quartz here. Okay, so now we should add the configuration for log4net into application.config file. For the add the configuration for log4net, I already talked about it in another tutorial before. So you can go to my page and find log4net, perfect log4net with C# to see. Okay, so here we add the configuration for log4net into selected line code and also here. And make sure the log4net configuration is above the start. Okay, so after that we add the log4net config assembly key under the assembly info. So this line of code let log4net know that it can look for configuration in the default application config file. Okay, and next I will go ahead to create a configuration XML file, and after that we will create a model for configuration. In this file I define some timeline to run the job. You can define day, hour, minutes, start date, start date, start hour, start minutes, and we should create create a model for configuration file here. Yes, after that we should create a command feature to read the data from XML file. In order to create a command feature, here you click to add new and you type the command. Click to add button here. In this file, the first thing we will read the content from configuration file. And we have a static function here. We get the configuration from XML. Here the code to get the node of data. And we will return a model of config. Yes, after that we will create a Windows service class. Windows service here. And name it is vs service. You double click here and you view source code. Okay, so on this page we have to add the reference into log4j, Quartz, and the implementation for Quartz here. And this service we have to create some the log4j here, and we can also create some variable for running the job. We create a job name, job group, job trigger, and some message when the job is started, and the schedule start and stopped. Okay, so when the service is start, we will create an instance for log4j, and we read the file from XML configuration. And after that, we will create the run application. Call this method to run. In this method, we create some. We start the schedule and we call the job to create the job. And when the job is created, so we should define when this job will be started. And this information we get it from configuration.xml file. After that, we will create a trigger to run the job by adding some start date for this job and repeat forever. That means after some few hours or some minutes, we run this job and it completes, and it will wait until some minutes and it will start again and again. It will stop only until you stop the service by yourself. When we create a job, we will create another class. It called the execute job. In this class, we have an execute. So everything we put it inside this class for the business. In this tutorial, I will you go ahead to add the business under executing task. In this tutorial, I go ahead to create an example. I just get the date time for now when the job is start, and after that I will save the current date time into a log file by using log4net. And the next time when the job start again, I will get the current date time for this job start again and also log it into a log file, and it will run again and again, and it's saved. After that it will save into the log file. I think this one is very basic example, but you can base on that to develop the feature based on the purpose. Okay, so after we've done with create the Windows service host, so we will call the service to run. So we call it from program.cs. So we call it from a main feature, a main static. Just create an instance for service, and after that we run it. New instance for Windows service edition service here. Okay. So after that, we will go ahead to create a project installer for this service. And go ahead to right click on this page and click to add installer. Yes. After adding the installer into the project, it will automatically generate a project installer.cs file here. And the service installer 1, you go view property. So you can add the description for this service installer, because when you install the service into the Windows service, it will display in the description area of the service, so the user can easily to understand what is the purpose of this service. And the start time, you select it automatic. You can open the services.msc to see here. For example, we have this service. This one is a description. You can change it here. Okay, and the start time automatic. You can double click here and you can start up time automatic. And other thing, leave it by default. Nothing changed for service process installer. Okay, so the next one, we will create some batch file to install and uninstall Windows service. I mean, when you click to the install batch file, it will install the Windows service into this service. And another way, when you click to uninstall file, it will uninstall the service out of these services. Okay, So now open the configuration file. You can see today 6 July 2060, and now is 10:27. I will change it into okay. Okay, I will change it in 30. And also the configuration file here, you should go to property and select the copy to output directory, the only copy only. Okay, so open the info service.dat file here. This one is only called to install the service, and this one is only uninstall the service. You, you should make sure the path file for the AXA file. Okay, so I think I should change it into 51. Okay, so now I will run the user project first. Okay, so now I will go to the bin folder of this project. You can see we have everything here. The configuration, log forest, Quartz, common login. Okay, so now I will go ahead to click on install service to install our service. Oh, wait, I need to see the configuration. And okay, and this job will start at this time, and after 1 minute it will start again. Okay, so I should change to 32 and try to view again. Okay, run it. Error administration. Yes, it will got the message is done and the Windows service is installed successfully. That means the Windows service already installed successfully into the Windows. Okay, try to refresh it. You see, yes, you can see change service here. Here the description for provide the service for change remote. Okay, so open the application config. Go to the log my tab appender log. Yes, I think it for now it start the service. Yes, it is today. I will open it. Yes, you can see the schedule is started, the job is started, and we executed the job at this time, and after that the job is finished. Okay, so now we wait until the job start again. It will start in 33 after 1 minute. Okay, so I close it and open it again in after 1 minute. Okay, so I think it start already, and wait some seconds to open the log file to view again. Yes, 33, 33, 33. And okay, 34, it will start again. Okay, so for example, you can based on my example to create a Windows job for the application. For example, you want to get the data from Amazon or something like that. So you create a service to get the data from Amazon and save it into a CSV file, and you can also create another job to automatically send that file via email for client, or you can do it in another business. Okay, so now I open it again. You can see. Okay, and wait one more. Start again and wait some more seconds. Open again. Okay, 35. Okay, so I will upload the code into this example into GitHub, and also put the link under the description of YouTube, so you guys can go there and download the code for studying or continue development beyond your business. I hope this I hope this one will be helpful for you guys, and don't don't forget to let me know if you have any question, and give me a like for this video if that's helpful for you. Bye bye and see you in the next tutorial.